All right, guys, good morning. It's about 11 a.m. here in Istanbul, Turkey, and I'm about to show you one of the most powerful ways to plan for this bull market to catch a long position. I've been thinking long and hard for many months now about how I'm going to catch all of these massive long positions at the beginning of the bull market or as the bull market continues. Now, how do we pay attention to a massive amount of coins? There's over 650 coins. How do we look at every single coin to know which ones are trending? So I've developed a system that I personally believe is going to allow us to find these trending coins at all times. So you're going to increase the chance of you catching a dip and especially a trending coin. The platinum members, they all have access to this for free, and the elite tier members will have access to some of the basic channels, but all of them for now in the bear market. So let me show you guys something absolutely cool that you now have introduced or you have access to, and I'll introduce it to you in this video. So there are 4 channels here that I've actually changed significantly in terms of how they update you, in terms of how reliable it is now. Before I was having a lot of runtime and webhook errors, but now it's running very well. So everybody in the elite tier group and in the platinum group, you should have all access to this, except for these two. Okay, ignore these two down over here. These are not final yet. So you have access to 10% right here in 1 hour, 20% in 4 hours, 4 hours, kernel and super trend, and daily kernel and super trend. Let me explain it to you what this is, okay? So this one right here, the 10% in 1 hour is very self-explanatory. Anytime any coin moves up in 1 hour, 10%, it's gonna pop up here right away, okay? And just so you know, none of these actually have an alert in any way. They don't have an at everyone alert, okay? So none of these have an at everyone tag anymore, meaning that it's not going to tag everybody. It was kind of annoying and cumbersome. So if you wanted to have a notification for this channel, you'll have to go to each one individually and go to notification settings. I would go to all messages if you want all of the messages to show up in your notification. Okay? So none of them have an at everyone tag. So the 10% in 1 hour, anytime a 1 hour candle spikes up 10%, it's going to show right away. So for example, here's Blessed. Okay, so Blessed just recently popped up. If I were to go to Blessed, I'm going to see it over here. Where is it? Bless. So here's Bless. So you can see over here that in 1 hour, it recently just popped up. See that right there? It popped up over 10%. So it shows up over here. So you want to gravitate to the coins that have volatility. Okay. So the next one is going to be, instead of 10% in 1 hour, it's now going to be in a 4-hour candle, what has moved up 20% and up. So for example, if I go to high, HEI, it notified me earlier. I come here and I see that on a 4-hour candle, high literally just made a massive 45% candle. So you're gonna go to this coin and do some technical analysis, right? All that this is doing is bringing you to the coin. It's bringing the attention of the coin to you, and now you have to go there and evaluate whether you want to trade it or not. This is not a technical analysis video. This is a video on how to find more coins to trade that are trending. So in the bull market, one of your biggest problems is going to be too many coins to trade, too many trending coins, how to narrow it down to the best trending coin, right? So this is going to allow you to be like, all right, coin A, B, C, D, E, F, G, these are all trending hard, much better than the other ones. So because of that, you're going to want to go to this coin and then do technical analysis on it so you know exactly what you could be trading. Now, the next one is really important. So just imagine that this popped up a while ago, okay? This is going to pop up here. Notice how it pops up not just in the close of the candle. It popped up at 11:22. So because it popped up at 11:22, it means that it notified you in the formation of the candle, not just the close. So during the candle forming 20%, it was still over here. So if you caught it fast enough, you could have maybe tried to long it as well, all the way up to 50% where it went. So you want to go to these coins. So the next one would be like, for example, CLOU. That's also on the 4 hour. So CLOU, you can see that in the 4 hour, this one here prior, it trended up 33%. So this is just bringing the awareness of what coin did what. Now, this is the better one. I just recently worked on this for about many hours. This is the brand new channel that everybody has access to right now. Doesn't matter what tier you are, the elite tier, the platinum tier. This is going to help you find more trades than any system out there for learning how to spot coins that are trending. So once again, the problem is, what coins are trending? Do I have to manually scan for every single coin that's trending? I know that myself, I'm not a breakout trader. I'm not going to hunt for those types of coins. But what I do know is maybe you are, maybe you are, maybe you are. There are many people that are going to hunt for these types of breakout coins. And I'm pretty sure that I've created one of the best ways to find these potentially breaking out coins. Imagine what you'll be able to do with this in a bull market. Let me give you just one quick example, okay? So basically what I'm doing is I'm looking for something that combines my two powerful indicators that tells me that it's trending. So I'm looking for, first of all, the kernel that's trending green above, the price is trending green above the kernel, but more importantly, the super trend is also below it. So now, not only am I looking for a kernel that's trending, but I'm looking for a super trend that's trending. But not only those two need to be trending, but they need to be trending over a specific period of time. Otherwise, it doesn't interest me. So how do we find these coins that are trending over a specific period of time? Well, I built a custom indicator called the Kernel Alerts Indicator. Okay, this one is not for sale or anything like that at all. It's for my own personal use. So just as an example, on over here, so when I go to the 4-day chart, specifically what I'm looking for is on a 4-hour time frame. Sorry, not a 4-day chart, a 4-hour chart. So there's two different time frames that we're tracking, kind of for smaller time frame swing traders. So you could look at a 4-hour chart. That would make sense. But then there's another one as well for the longer term swing traders on a daily. So now you get to find not only shorter plays, but you get to find longer term plays as well. So on the 4-day chart, notice how it says any coin here, a random coin like Blue, AI, USDT, is trending over 4 hours. What does that mean? It means that over the 4-hour time frame, okay, and actually this is supposed to be trending over 4 days. My apologies, I got to change that. Okay, so this is supposed to be, it's supposed to say trending over 4 days, because I'm looking for a 4-hour time frame trending over 4 days. Does that make sense? Not only that, another criteria is hit. I'm not looking for something with too much volatility or too little volatility. You have to go somewhere in the middle, okay? So the price is going to trend somewhere above, or let's just go to Blue since I copied it earlier. Blue AI USDT P. So Blue was one of the ones that popped up right here, okay? It popped up right here. I literally chose a random one. Well, it wasn't selected any, we'll go through them. So what this does right here, this refers to the distance from the kernel, okay? It can go above the kernel by 25%, but this criteria means that it cannot turn red. So basically the criteria is that I have on the 4-hour is it can move up to 25% above the kernel only, because you don't want something that's like crazy that goes up and way out far away from it. Not only that, the green kernel here, it has to stay green, and the super trend has to be green. So this popped up on my list. I go to this coin, I'm like, wait a minute. On the 4-hour time frame, it's trending both above the green kernel and super trend. Is there a breakout potential, right? How helpful would this be? So I go to another coin, any coin, it's all gonna be trending the same, okay? And see this coin over here, it's also trending the same, but it does not mean that they're equal, Okay, it doesn't mean that they're all equal in terms of quality. So even though it hits the criteria, right? And this one here, it hits the criteria. It doesn't mean that it's gonna. So right here, it allows a grace period. So I allow a grace period for it to turn red by 25% as long as it's still green in the end. So yeah, this one meets the criteria, but it's kind of a crappy one, right? As long as it meets, so you're gonna have to filter through them, but there's not that many to filter through. Look at this coin. The third one that I chose on the list is Truth. So you go to Truth, and then you're like, oh wow, this one's looking all right. You know, it's looking okay, right? So as long as the super trend is green, doesn't mean the super trend has to be green the entire time. It can be green just at the end. And it doesn't mean that the super trend has to be green the entire time. It just has to be green at the end. So notice that in my here, I say 25%. So it can go down 25% as long as it recovers and it's still trending. But it doesn't mean that this one is a great signal either, right? So you can have to filter through some of them. The next one is going to be red. So I just do one more, and then I'm going to show you the daily. The daily is a lot more powerful. Okay, so for example, this one here is red. You can see it right here as well, trending over 4 hours. Okay, and then I go to red, and I see, wow, this one actually looks pretty reasonable. And then that's where you'll perform technical analysis on it and determine if it can break out. So we say to ourselves, it's been trending for 4 days already over both the super trend and the kernel. Is there a breakout potential, right? Imagine how powerful this is in a bull market, because most of these coins are going to break out. Okay, so let's go to the daily. The daily chart is going to be where the money's at. So today, when I loaded it, it's supposed to be trending over 7 days. So for example, here, it says LITUSDT.P is trending over 7 days. What does that mean? Okay, what does that mean where it's trending over 7 days? So on my template here for the daily, I'll load it up, and then I'll show you guys the criteria. We're now on a daily chart, okay? We're on the daily chart, and we're also trending, looking for a trend over 160 hours, which is 7 days. And we're looking for anything that can move up or down from the kernel by 20%, as long as both the kernel and the super trend show green at the end of the 7 days. So now it's a bear market, and you're like, all right, well, we're looking for something, you know, that can trend, that's moved down for a long time. But what might explode? What might be trending that's just kind of like slowly building up momentum? And the first one that we see is lit. And let's see how lit is doing. So we go to lit, and we see that on a daily chart is definitely trending. So you're seeing here that over at least 7 days back, so it's been trending now for 7 days back, which is only here, but look, it's been trending for actually 31 days. That's even crazier. So now it's trending above both the kernel and the super trend for 31 days. Every time it's gotten close to the kernel or the super trend, it has bounced. So is there a long potential when it gets closer to between the kernel and the super trend to go for a long position, right? So that's pretty cool that you're seeing something trend for a massive period of time. And now the next one you're going to see is MRVL. So you're only going to get a few a day. This is going to be on a bar close, okay? So on a bar close, when you see these, you're seeing like maybe how many? Maybe like 15, 18 a day. So because you're seeing only 18 or 20 a day, so this one right here, MRVL is the next one. Let's check it out. And remember that not all signals are the same. So this one is a new coin that was just brought to our attention. And that one looks pretty crazy so far, right? It's like one of those coins where like, okay, it's a new coin. It's been trending for like 27 days. Can it blow up? The next one is, let's just pick a random one so you guys know I'm not cheating. Cake. So we go to Cake here and check this out. Okay, let's see what Cake is looking like. And we see that Cake is not doing the best. Okay, it meets the criteria where remember the criteria. The criteria is as long as it's trending plus or minus below or above the kernel for 20%, okay, the whole 7 days, but as long as at the end it is green. So it meets the criteria, but it doesn't mean it's the best one, okay? So you're gonna eliminate them. So let's go to Brett. It's just a random one here. And then you come down here. Let's go to Brett, and you see that this does meet the criteria for about 6-7 days. But once again, it doesn't mean it's the best signal. Imagine if you got that signal over here, right? You got that signal somewhere over here, and then you decided to go into a long. And then, of course, you're going to end up making a gigantic amount. So as you can see in a very quick demonstration how powerful this is, these 4 channels alone that you're going to get access to simply just by joining the Discord group. The Discord group subscription itself for 1 month is going to pay for itself with all of the educational content that you get. You're going to get tons of education videos from these lessons here. If you come here, you're going to get about 136 long lesson video formats that I've accumulated from my 11 years of experience. And you're going to get 162 short lesson video formats. So you're going to get access to the 10% in 1 hour alerts, 20% in 4 hours. You're going to see the 4-hour kernel and super trend trending over 4 days. And then you're going to get the daily kernel trending over 7 days. Imagine how powerful this is when the bull market is here. It's going to allow you to find all of the trending channels and allow you to gauge the risk to reward and calculate it when it's close to the kernel, so you can then gauge your position size to attempt a long position. So bam, guys, right now I'm working slowly behind the scenes. There's no point of day trading in a very bad market. I think that all of the profits that I make in this bear market, when the bull market does come, with all the planning that I've done, with all the tools that I'm building to help me succeed in this bull market, one good trade in that bull market, it's going to do better than all of my trades in the bear market combined. So right now is a time to plan. Right now it's a time to get ready for the bull market. I'll see you guys in the Discord group. Bam, I'm so excited to show you more about these tools. See you there.